National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Lee County in north central Illinois until 4:45 p.m. At 3:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Walnut and moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Walden, Amboy, Auburn and Sublette. Other locations affected: Lee County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning.